Hi, I'm Terry. I'm an intuitive designer, a house healer, and a holistic interior designer. So I'm holding this today. I'm in the entrance of my powder room. My kids were always leaving the light on and not turning it off, so my wife put a sensor, and I'm gonna shoot a video about not this, but I'm gonna wave it around to keep the light on because I don't know how else to do that. So there we go. It's almost like I shut it off when I did that. There we go, it works. Okay, so that's what that is. So how your home makes you feel. It's something I talk about a lot, but not just how your home makes you feel when you look at it. It's about all of the senses. So how something makes you feel when you're standing on it. For example, this floor. So this is our powder room. We've done a renovation, almost completed it, like 850 years later. Just have to do the mirror, then I'll do a little video on that. But I want to talk about the floor. I love the way this hexagon tile feels under my feet. Because of the grout lines, you get a lot of texture. I love that. I love standing on a sisal carpet. Some people don't, but it's how something physically feels is really important. Just think of a warm, cozy blanket, wrapping it around yourself. You feel safe, you feel warm, sitting in a comfortable sofa. Those are all things that are really important to how you feel in your home.